are home. Yeah, it is already almost 3 o'clock and I'm very hungry. Yeah, that's how quick it is to cook a rice. And this is what I'm going to eat. I still have this Bicol Express from Roy and Cassie. This is going to be the 3rd day of having this. And so I'm going to put it in the freezer. Yeah, because this is a lot. Okay, so I have 2 meals. But while waiting for the rice to cook, I'm going to eat this. Yeah, this is again some of the breads that Roy and Cassie gave me. When I was in the Philippines, this is my less favorite bread. This one, I like it. This one, I don't know actually why there is red. Okay, it's time to eat. It is already 3:20. Guys, yeah, it's already 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock, very fast. Yeah, so I am day up today and I have been here just here in the house. I was actually editing a video and yeah, it's already uploaded. I don't know, I feel like I'm not going anywhere. I'll be just staying here in the house. I mean, I'm not going to go on camping or road trip. I'll be day up until tomorrow. Yeah, actually, since last night I was thinking of going somewhere, but yeah, I end up still here. I thought of camping in Bob's Farm, still here in Port Stephens, but yeah, it's a paid camping. Actually, it's a private place, like a farm place of one family, and they are renting it as a camping ground. Yeah, there's no facilities, just use of the property. But yeah, maybe next time I'll do that. Yeah, maybe also later on we are going out. Still yeah, the sunset will be still at 7:30, 8 o'clock, so we still have time to go out. And we are now here in the car park here in Nelson Bay Foreshore. And if you see those couple, yeah, usually before when I was riding my bike, yeah, every day I see them and greet them. Yeah, just hi, good afternoon, good day, just like that. I have been driving for 2 years, but I think they still remember me. And it is very beautiful here this time. Nice weather, nice view, less people actually. Yeah, very nice. And at the back of those 2 cars there are people. They are kind of relaxing. They have a chair and kind of camping because they have a cooking stove. They looks like a traveler. And another thing that I love about this car park is that it is facing to the you can park here facing to the water. Yeah, facing to this beautiful view, because some other car parks in the area requires you to be parking similar to this red one. I don't know the real reason for that kind of parking, but I think yeah, to give people at the beach kind of privacy. Yeah, because if you are car parked like this and facing to the beach, it looks like you are looking to the people. Yeah, if you walk a little bit farther on that side, you will notice that you are required to park facing to the road and not to the beach. In here, you don't really see the people at the beach. In here, what you're going to see is just the beauty, the scenery. Beautiful. Yeah, there are some people there. They are relaxing, swimming. Also in this side, there are some people, and there are some pelican in the jetty. And at the moment, there is a group of people here. Yeah, they have their chair around in circle and they are chatting. Yeah, that is a very relaxed life. Oh, very nice. Yeah, they fixed the road and they're also changing the, yeah, actually they removed already the toilet and they're making new one and they're making new barbecue place. Nice. This is here in Little Beach. Yeah, I have not here for a long time, maybe 5 months. This is my van. Good. Just driving around.
Oh yeah, nice. I just had my last breakfast shift but didn't this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah, Anthony rocked up as well. We got put on the same shift, so I went home.
Ah.
Yeah. I got one shift tomorrow night. I got Tuesday tomorrow night and then I'm done.
Yeah, see you around.
Yeah, you will. Well, if you're driving in here, I just live up there.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my girlfriend Grace.
Hello.
This is Robbie.
Oh, that's not a good news. Tomorrow will be his last day at work. Oh, let me show you. There is actually a restaurant out there. Let's see if they are still open. If I'm not mistaken, they are only open for breakfast. I used to ride here with my bike. Also, I eat once. I don't know if they are open. We'll see. If they are open, I'm going to eat. They have a nice restaurant here. So there is that. This is the Marine Rescue Office, Nelson Bay. And there is the museum, tea rooms. And this is the view of the Shoal Bay. Yeah. But yeah, the restaurant is actually closed. Okay, we're going down now. Look at this. This looks very simple, but this is actually the Stevenson Screen Weather Station. This apparatus was designed in 1864 by civil engineer Thomas Stevenson, father of the author Robert Louis Stevenson. These screens are still in use today as official weather stations. Temperature and humidity readings are taken from here twice daily by Marine Rescue and reported to the Bureau of Meteorology via a direct landline. Temperatures and humidity reported in your daily news originate from this station. Awesome. And there is another thing, this one. Yeah. It says that it is a Barney Penny weather station in memory of our good friend Brian Barney Penny, 1948-2020. Data from these stations assess the Bureau of Meteorology in providing weather forecasts for the benefits of Port Stephens boating community. Nice. We are now here in Shoal Bay, and actually that is where we came from. If you can see that hill on top of that, that is where we came from. Don't want to go up there on top of the Tumari Head. That mountain is called the Tumari Head. It's about 15, 20, 30 minutes walk to go up there. Yeah, it's a little tiring, but the view from the top is amazing. And then we are now here in Pingal Bay. Yeah. And I am wondering why this house, it is having the flag of the United States and the flag of Australia. Maybe the couples, they are American and Australian. And I'm going to buy something. Yeah, there is a shop, restaurant at that side. I initially thought that this is actual design decoration of this road, but this is actually for collection. Yeah, a set of a bed and chair. See something. Oh, looks like the restaurant is closed already. Yeah, they close early. Yo, look at this meat pie. Yeah, I bought it from that grocery. Yeah, I didn't ask how much, but then when I was about to pay, he said 750. Yeah, I didn't ask, so I did not confirm. Then I thought, oh, that's expensive. Yeah, and then when I check on my transaction, yeah, it's really $7.50. Yeah, this expensive meat pie. Beef and mushroom. Yeah, this size $7.50. I remember it was $3.50 at Pie Pace before when I was in Sydney. That was 6-7 years ago. I wonder how it become covered with the sand, because before this is full of grass, not sand like this. I'm going to eat it inside the bun. It is very messy to eat meat pie.